So a trip to Sam's Club resulted in me buying these seedless table grapes. I'm not sure I like the idea of seedless grapes, but I've never grown grapes before, so they say I can grow them here in Georgia. We're gonna find out. There are two different kinds. You've got the grape Concord and the Canada's red seedless grapes. So I'm gonna plant them and hope and pray that Daisy doesn't eat at them. I'm gonna have to get something to put around them because I know she's gonna try to get to them. But anyways, I'm going to see how these work out. Okay, it's kind of hard to show it, but we've got the hole dug, and I actually filled the hole in with some store-bought dirt. I like my Miracle Grow or whatever I can find, and I actually found some dirt at the Dollar Tree, so I mixed that in along with some Miracle Grow dirt, and I have it filled up to that point, and I'm gonna just cover the rest of it back up with the dirt that I dug up out of that hole. We have a lot of this red clay down here, so I just want to make sure that the dirt is as best as I can get it so that this plant will grow. Well, plants plural, because I have two of them. So this one is the I don't know which one this is that I planted. This is the Concord, and I did do a tag. I'm gonna make sure I label them because it's gonna take me a while to remember which one is which. So I'm gonna get the other one put in the hole, and we'll get back with you. Okay, so this is the second hole that this Canada's grapevine will be planted in. This is some topsoil that I added. I'm gonna lay it here, and then I'm going to fill this up with the rest of the store-bought topsoil, and then I'll just put a coat of the regular dirt that I dug up. But once again, I want to make sure that the dirt is as loose as possible so I can give these plants the best chance I could possibly give them here. All right, so I have the Canada's grapevine planted here, and I put, you know, the store-bought topsoil on the inside or at the base of it, and just covered it up with the red clay so it'll all blend in. And then over here I have the Concord grapevine planted, and they're about 7.5 feet away from each other, and so hopefully that won't be too bad. I will get a trellis or an arbor of some sort once I see that they will actually grow, but I'm not gonna waste my time with it if it's not gonna grow. So I'm gonna just monitor them, try to get them to actually grow right now, and then if everything works out, gotta keep her away from it. Move girl. I gotta keep her away from it, but if everything works out, I will get an arbor and or a trellis and see about making it nice and pretty like grapevines that you see on Pinterest or something. I don't know. Big dreams right now. But thanks for watching, and I'll keep you all updated.